If you want to make Firefox easier to read and more comfortable to use, one of the best things you can do is change the default font and font size. Whether you prefer a cleaner typeface, larger text, or just a more personalized browsing experience, Firefox gives you simple options to do it right inside the settings. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change the default font and size in Firefox step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the menu button. That's the three-line icon, also known as the hamburger menu. When the menu opens, select Settings from the list. Now you're inside the Firefox settings page. From here, scroll down until you find the accessibility section. Depending on your screen size and version of Firefox, you may need to scroll a little farther to get there. Once you see the font section, this is where you can start customizing how text appears in your browser. To change the default font, click the Default Font drop-down menu. You'll see a list of available fonts installed on your computer. Select the one you want to use. This can help make websites feel more readable or match your personal style a lot better. Next, to change the font size, click the Size drop-down menu. Then choose the font size that works best for you. If you spend a lot of time reading articles, emails, or documents in Firefox, increasing the font size can make a huge difference in comfort. If you want even more control, click Advanced in the Fonts section. This opens additional options that let you fine-tune the way text is displayed. Here, you can adjust the serif font, sans serif font, monospace font, and even set a minimum font size. You may also see an option that allows pages to choose their own fonts, which is useful if you want websites to keep their original styling when possible. Take a moment to review your selections and make sure everything looks the way you want it. Once you're happy with the changes, click OK if Firefox prompts you to confirm or save the settings. After that, your new font preferences should be applied right away. And that's it. You've now learned how to change the default font and size in Firefox in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to make browsing more comfortable, improve readability, and customize Firefox to fit your needs. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.